Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this cute prom inspired sparkly extra eyeshadow look today for you guys. Now honestly, this look really reminds me of the cranberry eyeshadow look that I did a couple months ago, and it just goes to show that slowly but surely I'm getting better at my craft, and it's always a feel good. So first and foremost, I'm just going to be priming my eye with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and later on in the video you guys will see me also using the same product to also cut my crease. Then I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go into this really pretty pink color that you guys see me pointing to right now, and I'm just basically going to put that on my eye as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to be going to the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette, and I'm just going to be using that color Hidden Desert, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease to darken up the look a bit. And then I'm going to be cutting my crease. First, I'm using the actual applicator itself, and then I had to go in with like a small flat brush just because the applicator was just a tad bit messy and I needed something to be a little bit more cleaner. And then I'm going back into the BH Cosmetics palette again, and I'm going to be using a lighter pink this time, basically putting that on my lid and kind of helping my next eye color to basically kind of pop more, if that makes sense. And then I'm going back into the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm using that shade Fireworks, and as you guys can see by my face, it's something else. Like honestly, I love this eyeshadow, but it can be a bit messy. Like I do have a little bit on my neck from doing my other eye, but we're all good. Me being extra, of course. Then I'm basically just going to be lining my lid with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I have no idea what happened to the clip of me showing exactly what it looks like, but that's what it is. And then I'm just going to be applying some false mink lashes, and I actually got these off of Amazon, and I will be doing a review on those pretty soon. And then I'm just going to be going into the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that on my eyelashes to kind of merge my lashes with the falsies. And then moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Angel Veil Primer to start off everything. Girls, do not forget to prime your face. I dead almost forgot, and I would have been so mad. And then I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, and as you guys can see, I'm the color 500. As of now, like my awkward like transitioning from like winter to summer phase, this is actually like my perfect shade, so I'm a happy camper. And then what I like to do is once I actually blend everything in, I like to go over it again just to make sure everything is as flawless, as seamless as it can possibly be. And then I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Protect Concealer, and I'm in the shade 150. I don't like using concealers that are like 2-3 shades lighter than me. I usually just like to use like one shade lighter just because of how the baking powder is. And I'm just basically going to be putting that on all the regular places that I put my highlight, and then I'm also just going to be blending that in. I always like to do my under eyes lash just to make sure it kind of dries up just a little bit, just so I can get more coverage. Then I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Banana Powder, and I'm going to set all those places that I put the concealer. Then I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I am the shade 30, medium deep I believe. And then I'm going to be using the CoverFX Face and Contour Palette, I believe it's called. I'm going to go into that contour shade. Now, honestly, I got this off of one of the month's BoxyCharm subscriptions, and it's a little dark for me. So literally like the tiniest little tap will get the desired look. Like literally less is definitely more when it comes to this contour palette. Then I'm going to be using the Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn blush and highlighter palette, and I'm going to be dipping into Havana Nights, which is that pretty pink color. And then I'm just going to softly pat that onto my cheeks. Granted, whenever I do like super like crazy, well not super crazy, but like dramatic-esque eyeshadow looks, I always like my face to be cute and simple and not too over the top. Then I'm going back into that Cover Fix palette again. I'm just going to be using the brightener as my highlighter. Checking both sides just to make sure that they are even. Then moving on to my lips, I'm just going to be using the NYX retractable lip liner, and I believe this is in the color Sand Beige, and I'm just going to be using that to line my lips first. And then I'm just going to be going and using the Appeal holographic lip gloss. Now honestly guys, this is like my favorite lip combo right now because it's so cute, it's so simple. I love how the lip gloss gives you just a little bit of shimmer, like if you're like up close. And then I'm just going to be going and using the Mario facial spray, which has aloe vera, rose water, and all that fun stuff in it. I love how it gives me like a dewy finish once everything is all done. So as you guys can see, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely don't forget to subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram because I tend to be a bit more active on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like the look. If you guys have any additional questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.